What is the universal language that connects us all, no matter where we are from? In Japan, a young couple exchanges handmade chocolates, a sweet symbol of affection. Across the ocean, in Italy, a serenade under the balcony weaves a tale of timeless romance. In India, a couple celebrates their love with a vibrant Holi festival, painting their world in colors of joy. From the heart of Paris, a lock fastened to a bridge symbolizes unbreakable bonds. In the quiet streets of Buenos Aires, a couple dances the tango, their steps telling a story of passion. Love knows no bounds, as seen in the simple act of preparing a meal together, anywhere in the world. A surprise bouquet of flowers, a universal gesture that speaks volumes across cultures. In the snowy streets of Moscow, a heartfelt proposal under the twinkling city lights creates a magical moment. A shared sunset on a quiet beach, where words are unnecessary and the scenery says it all. The joy of receiving a handwritten letter, a timeless expression of love that bridges distances. In the bustling streets of New York, a spontaneous dance amidst the chaos, a reminder that love finds a way. A DIY gift, crafted with love, carries the essence of thoughtfulness and personal touch. Under the northern lights, a promise made where nature itself bears witness to love's solemn vow. Love, in its many forms, connects us all, transcending boundaries and telling stories that resonate worldwide.